Rise and shine. I have the feeling something important is going on today, but I can't lay my finger on what it is. What could it be?
Brianna, the chicks are due today, remember? They're gonna hatch. Come on.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go outside and check it out. I can't wait to see. I better change out of my clothes, though. I can't go outside like this. After that, let's go. I can't wait to see if they hatch. Sure do hope that they hatched. Caramel ready? Let me see. Huh? This doesn't look like a chick. What could this be? What is this? Well, I'll set it on top of the duck house. Let's check for chicks. Huh? This doesn't look like a chick either. Cream-colored eggs with some sort of dough inside. How strange. Oh, come on. I hope that there's chicks. I see something. Is that a chick? Huh? Another one? But in yellow? How peculiar. Look, here's two more. It looks like there's one in teal and one in dark blue. Well, we've got 5 of these things. Hey there, baby vulture. Please tell me you've got a little chick. I sure hope so. I feel something. It must be a chick. Huh? Teal, blue, and pink. Well, that makes 8 of them. Are you as confused as I am? Well, I'll stick them into my little pouch and we can see what's inside of them, I suppose. Oh man, I sure wish we could have seen some chicks though. But who knows, surprises await. Thank you, Caramel. Yeah, good girl. Thank you, baby vulture. That's very sweet of you. Here are our interesting eggs. Look, there are so many different colors, but they're all cream-colored eggs with some kind of dough inside of them. Well, there's only one way to find out what's inside of them. Let's unwrap them. Ooh, look at this blue one. And look at this pink one. They had on this wrapper on the outside. Very interesting. Which one should I open first? Let's go with pink. I see something. Oh, it's a hat. Oh my goodness, it's a hat. Here she is. She looks very fancy. Wow. I'm going to stick her back here on this shelf. I wonder what series they're from. This is so strange. Don't you guys think? Huh? What was that? All of our eggs are still here. That's relieving. Huh? What's this? It looks like a checklist. But it's not any checklist. It's the Shopkins World Vacation Checklist. Is that where my hat is from? Wow, there's so many here. There's Bettina. Oh no, that's Bettina Bag. Oh, Bianca Boater hat. Wow. She has a white mark, which means she's a common. There might be more Shopkins in the rest of these eggs. Let's open them and see. I see something red. What is this? Is it a cake? Oh my goodness, it looks like an Eiffel Tower. And here's our Play-Doh. Let's check out which one we got. Ella Tower Cake from French Adventure. She's also a common. So cool. Putting her over here. And Bianca is from the Italian tour. Let's do this yellow egg next. I wonder what Shopkin is in here. All right, only one way to find out. Huh? Is this a house? It's a little clock. She's so adorable. It's Talkie Cuckoo Clock. She's from Germany. She's part of the German Jet Set series. White circle means she's also a common. Here's our Play-Doh. It's a very pretty yellow color. Let's set it over here. And Talkie goes on our shelf. Huh? What was that? More strange noises? Play-Doh containers on my bed. What? Well, I guess they're here for a reason. Yeah, we can store the Play-Doh so that it doesn't dry out. But someone or something must be behind this. Well, I'm going to put the Play-Doh away, and then we can continue seeing what's in these eggs. Alright, let's clear off this space over here. Well, we have 2 empty green containers. We might as well open a green one next. Here's a beautiful green one. I wonder which one we'll get. I hope we get an accordion. Alright. 3, 2, 1. No way! No way! That was coincidence, okay? That's crazy. Check it out! It's an actual accordion! Wow! Here's our Play-Doh, and it is really, really nice. And let's check out our collector's guide. There we are! Hans' accordion, and it's green. What is green? Green is rare. We got a rare. Well, here's Hans. Let's do a blue one. I can't wait to see which one is here. All right, let's see. I see something. Something blue. What is this? Is it a sponge cake? Oh, wow. And she's got Play-Doh all over her. Wow! She's so cute! Here's our Play-Doh. And now we can check our collector's guide. Let's see. UK holiday! Yvonne scone! And is that what I see? A green circle? Another rare! Here's Yvonne. I'm in the mood for something new. How about this blue one? Yeah, this blackish blue one. I wonder what's in this one. Oh, what could it be? What could it be? I hope it's something grand. All right. 3, 2, 1. I see something. What is this? Look at that little guy. He has a mustache. That is cuteness overload. And here is our Play-Doh. Look at that beautiful color. All right, let's check out the collector's guide. Fluffy souffle from the French Adventure. So cool. And he has a white circle. That means he's a common. All right, so 2 left to go. Let's do this one. Ooh, it's another green one. Check it out. Oh, I feel something. What is this? Is it a backpack? A purse? It's a lasagna! Here is our Play-Doh, and it's green. All right. Well, it looks like if we have 1 left. Are you guys ready for this? And we'll put this one on the shelf at the same time as Fluffy Souffle, or Souffle. All right, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. What is this? Huh. Oh, it's a bag. Here she is. She is so cute. Look at that little heart. Here's her back. Awesome. And here is our Play-Doh, and it is pink and bubblegummy and gorgeous. And let's stick it over here. All right, so Luigi lasagna goes back here. Come on, Luigi. And then fluffy souffle back here. Let's check out the collector's guide for our bag before we put her on the shelf. Oh, it's Bettina bag, the one I confused Bianca Butter hat with earlier. But it's this version. She's pink, and it looks like if she is a common. Here we go. So, now I'm going to put away all of the Play-Doh, and then we're going to come back here for an awesome devotional. All right, here are our Shopkins. Aren't they amazing? So it's the best part now, devotional time. Our devotional for today is Removed. Isn't that such an interesting title? I think so too. The Shopkins were stuck in the Play-Doh, but thankfully we were able to free them. I can imagine Play-Doh is not a very pleasant thing to be stuck in. It's sticky, it's gooey, sometimes it even leaves stains. It's great to play with, but I don't think it would be very fun to be surrounded in it and with it stuck in my hair. Just like that, when we're in the world, we're stuck in a ton of things. Sadness, anger, fear maybe, hopelessness, no endurance, no joy. But when we trust in Jesus, He is able to take us out of that sticky situation and transfer us into a kingdom of happiness with Him. Now the Shopkins are happily on display in such a beautiful glitter case. But if they were still stuck in the Play-Doh could have even dried around them, preventing them from escaping. Like that, sometimes we can even get dried in the world. When we're so stuck in our problems without solutions, or so we think, it starts surrounding us, and as it surrounds us, it can even dry around us, and we can get even more stuck. But you know what? Jesus has power that can break us through any layer of anything, any layer of problems that we think don't have solutions. Even water applied to dry Play-Doh can soften it and free whatever is stuck inside. That is our devotional today, the basic concept of removal. Be sure to stay tuned, and I can also help you, share what else Jesus has in mind for your life. He wants us all to be able to go to heaven with Him someday and live with Him in glory. So wherever you are, no matter how many problems you're in, He can free you now and remove you from that hardened layer of Play-Doh you might be stuck in. And even if the Play-Doh you're stuck in is soft, we want to remove you before it's too hard. Stay tuned for more videos because I'll be expanding on this concept even more and how you can receive Jesus in your heart. And this is the devotional today, Removal. I hope that all of you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe so that more people will be able to access this content. And until next time, bye! Huh? What in the world? Feathers? These don't look like any feathers. These look like Jimer's feathers. What's she doing flying across the roof of our house? You don't think... No. Nah, she would never. Or would she? Come to think of it, she was carrying a Play-Doh container under her wing. Or could I have been dreaming? Yeah. Very interesting. Have a great day, and as I was saying, until next time, bye! I decided to come outside and check again a few days later, and look who has a baby. The chick really did hatch. Look at that cutie. What should we name him? Or her? God's creation really is amazing.